Over the last 70 years, MI Windows, formerly known as Metal Industries, has grown to become one of the largest suppliers of windows and doors throughout the U.S. The company acquired Milgard Windows in late 2019 to further boost its product portfolio and geographic reach. MI manufactures all of its window and door products in-house, with its most popular series of windows being the EnergyCore, HomeMaker 3, and Pro 5000 series of windows. MI windows are available primarily in vinyl and aluminum. MI offers 10 primary styles of windows: awning, casement, bay and bow, single hung, double hung, projection, basement, picture, and sliding windows. MI Windows reviews maintain an average score of 84% across several online review sites. This equates to a 4.2 out of 5-star rating on average. Recent customers have most cited good products and great value as the primary reasons for choosing MI Windows for their window replacement project. From a pricing perspective, MI Windows rank right around the median price for average replacement windows on the market today. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.